What if I told you that there exists a hidden, mysterious blessing from the universe, a gift that has been reserved just for you, waiting to transform your financial reality in ways you never imagined? This powerful gift isn't something distant or out of reach. It's already within you, quietly waiting to be unlocked. By the end of this message, you will discover how to awaken this gift fully, setting yourself on a path to prosperity and abundance. Welcome to the Self-Discovery, where we guide you through profound insights on transformation, spiritual growth, and prosperity. Today's message is not just by chance. It's a gentle nudge from the universe, calling you to unlock the abundance that awaits. We invite you to watch till the very end, absorb every word, and let the wisdom guide you toward a life filled with wealth and tranquility. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video, helping us spread positivity and enlightenment to others who may need this guidance. Embrace the universe's gift. Unlock abundance and prosperity with ancient wisdom. Imagine a life where you attract wealth effortlessly, where opportunities flow naturally, and where your financial struggles become a thing of the past. This isn't a fantasy. It's a possibility rooted in ancient wisdom. Drawn from the timeless teachings of Buddhism, let us take you on a journey of transformation, revealing secrets that have the power to change your life, guiding you to a deeper understanding of abundance, and helping you tap into the boundless gifts the universe has in store for you. Trust in the universe's timing and embrace the path to transformation. Do you ever feel like financial security is just out of reach, no matter how hard you push yourself? Struggling with bills, debts, and a constant sense of scarcity can be exhausting, especially when you've been doing everything right. If this sounds like your experience, it's important to realize that the universe hasn't forgotten you. There is a way forward, a path of abundance and tranquility that's waiting for you. But it calls for more than effort. It calls for a change in how you see things. This journey to prosperity involves mindfulness, patience, and a shift in your mindset. The challenges you face today aren't meant to hold you back. They're guiding you toward a deeper understanding of what's possible. By learning to trust the universe's timing and open yourself to ancient wisdom, you can unlock the prosperity and peace that have always been within your reach. The universe works in silence. Trust the unseen forces shaping your destiny. You might sometimes feel that your desires and intentions go unnoticed, but rest assured, the universe is always listening. Quietly, it orchestrates opportunities and blessings, aligning them perfectly behind the scenes. It understands every nuance of your journey, your dreams, your struggles, your deepest fears, and responds in ways you might not immediately see. The transformations you're seeking don't always arrive with a grand entrance. They begin subtly, building momentum, until they reshape your reality in ways you never thought possible. Remain mindful and attentive. As you move forward on this path, stay present and open to the wisdom that comes your way. Whenever a teaching or insight resonates with you, take a moment to affirm it softly to yourself, saying, "I embrace this." This simple act allows the wisdom to weave into your life, setting the stage for powerful, lasting change. By cultivating this practice, you can harness the silent yet potent forces of the universe and guide your life toward prosperity, peace, and fulfillment. The teachings of the Buddha embracing peace to attract prosperity. The Buddha's wisdom teaches us a simple yet profound truth. Peace and prosperity start by living fully in the present moment. Do not dwell in the past. Do not dream of the future. Concentrate the mind on the present moment, the Buddha once said. This timeless guidance reminds us that peace arises not from grand achievements, but from the ability to be present, letting go of anxieties about what has been or what might come. When we learn to focus our minds on the here and now, we create space for true abundance to enter our lives. The universe doesn't ask for extravagant efforts. It seeks mindfulness, sincerity, and a deep trust in the process. When we prioritize the journey of awakening, everything else, be it career, family, or finances, begins to fall into place. Focusing on inner peace and conscious awareness brings a sense of clarity, balance, and harmony that touches every aspect of life. This path isn't just about spiritual enlightenment, it's about practical living, where your actions flow from a place of wisdom and compassion, guiding you to a richer, more fulfilling existence. Small acts of mindfulness lead to greater fulfillment. In the pursuit of grand goals, career achievements, financial success, it's easy to lose sight of the smaller, everyday moments where true mindfulness and gratitude can be practiced. Yet it's often these subtle daily gestures that hold the most power. The universe values consistency in small acts. Seeing how you carry yourself through daily tasks, interact with others, and engage in moments of stillness. These seemingly minor actions lay the groundwork for a life filled with abundance. Think of it like planting seeds. Each small act of care, mindfulness, or kindness is a seed you nurture. With patience, attention, and a gentle touch, these seeds grow into something extraordinary. The universe watches how you tend to them, your words, your actions, your intentions. By showing that you can care deeply for the little things, you prove you are ready to handle the larger blessings life has to offer. The power of sharing and giving. True abundance is not just about what you receive, but also about what you give. When you share your blessings, when you support those in need, the universe responds by multiplying your resources in ways you might never have anticipated. Approach each task, no matter how small, with mindfulness and dedication, and you'll find yourself naturally aligned with the flow of abundance. It's through generosity and care that the universe's blessings are not just received, but magnified, leading to fulfillment that goes beyond material wealth. The gift of mindful awareness, embracing inner peace. The first, and perhaps the most precious gift the universe offers, is peace, an unwavering calm that goes beyond the changing tides of daily life. This isn't a temporary comfort that shifts with circumstances, but a profound stillness anchored in trust and awareness. Imagine starting each day with the knowledge that regardless of what unfolds, you are secure, supported, and at peace. This sense of inner calm is the foundation upon which all abundance is built. Cultivating peace through meditation. Dedicate time to quiet reflection, allowing yourself to listen deeply to the wisdom within. Mindful meditation connects you with your true self, helping you release fears and anxieties. As you nurture this inner peace, you'll begin to experience the universe's generous provisions, not only in material form, but also emotionally and spiritually. It is through this practice of mindfulness that you open yourself to the profound serenity the universe intends for you. Abundant provision, the universe's promise to meet your needs. The second gift that flows from this peace is abundant provision. Imagine a life where concerns about bills, groceries, or basic necessities fade away. Picture the freedom to follow your passions without the weight of financial stress holding you back. This is the universe's promise, abundance that embraces those who walk the path of mindfulness, compassion, and trust. The universe knows your needs. Often, we restrict our understanding of abundance to what is visible: money, possessions, tangible assets. But the universe sees beyond these limitations. It understands every aspiration, every concern, and meets needs in ways that often transcend what we can perceive. This provision encompasses not just material wealth, but also peace of mind, courage, wisdom, and everything necessary for a life of true joy and fulfillment. Faith and trust. To receive this abundant provision, faith is essential. You must trust that even when things seem unclear, the universe is tirelessly working in your favor. Remain open to receiving its gifts, and always express gratitude for the blessings already present in your life. This gratitude is a powerful force. It unlocks the door to even greater abundance, allowing the universe to shower you with blessings that nourish your body, mind, and spirit. The wisdom of the Dharma, a treasure beyond measure. One of the most profound gifts the universe offers is the Dharma, the timeless teachings of the Buddha. These are not merely lessons from the past. They serve as a guide that brings comfort, clarity, and direction to our everyday lives. The Dharma teaches us to live with mindfulness and compassion, to discover peace even amidst chaos, and to face life's challenges with grace, resilience, and inner strength. It is a treasure that helps us navigate the complexities of life, grounding us in wisdom that transcends time. Daily integration of Dharma. The true power of the Dharma emerges not just through reading or listening, but through daily practice. Allow its teachings to be the guiding force behind your thoughts, actions, and interactions. Taking just a few moments each day to reflect on these teachings can lead to profound transformation. shaping your life into one of renewed peace, joy, and purpose. Let the wisdom of the Dharma be the compass that guides you through each day, helping you to walk the path with calm and clarity, the path to fulfillment, trust, release, and receive. To fully embrace the gifts of peace, provision, and the wisdom of the Dharma, a key principle must be followed. Trust, release, and receive. Trust in the process, knowing that the universe is always working for your good, even when the way forward seems unclear. Release what no longer serves you, old fears, habits, and doubts, and make space for new blessings to enter your life. It's about letting go of the need to control every detail and surrendering to the natural flow of life. Act with intention. Every action, no matter how small, carries energy. Approach each task with intention. Be mindful of your actions, generous in your giving, and kind in your interactions. When you act from a place of sincerity and mindfulness, the universe takes notice. It responds by amplifying your efforts, bringing abundance back to you in unexpected and meaningful ways. Trust in this flow and allow yourself to be open to the blessings that await. Conclusion: aligning with the universe for a life of abundance. This is your moment. The universe has always had this gift reserved for you, and now is the time to claim it. Open your heart, embrace the wisdom, and align your actions with the path of mindfulness and compassion. By doing so, you are not just inviting prosperity into your life. You are creating a ripple effect that brings peace, harmony, and abundance to those around you. Thank you for being a part of the self-discovery. We are honored to share this journey with you. If this message resonates, please like, share, and subscribe. Help us spread these teachings so that more people can find peace, purpose, and prosperity. Remember, true wealth is not just about material gains. It's about living in harmony, balance, and a deep connection with the universe. May your journey be blessed with abundant peace and joy now and always. Thank you and see you in the next videos.